What's your name?
My name is Jansi.
All right. So, if I ask to you that you have to do something very different apart from painting the water balls, what do you feel you can do? What is the way in which you can contribute for these voiceless creatures, dogs and cats?
I usually feed animals in my street, and,
Okay.
and I fostered one pet, like one puppy,
All
and
right.
it got adopted within 1 week.
All right. All
Yeah,
right.
yeah.
So you fostered a puppy, right?
Puppy, yeah. Usually,
Nice.
I stay in PG, but still. I
So
manage
did they
it.
allow to you to
Yeah, yeah,
foster the puppy?
I asked permission then, so they
Okay,
did it, and
okay.
I did it.
Fine. And what are the, what is your opinion on, giving a type of service to animals? What is your take on it? If you are asked a message regarding this, like you should give some message to the public, what is the message you will give to the public?
This earth is not only for us. This is for
Exactly.
everyone. So we, as a human, we should help animals.
True. And apart from this, do you feel that, like apart from dogs and cats, do you feel that, even other animals which are voiceless, like cows,
Like
goats, pigs, birds, all these animals should also be, given some type of, voluntary and social support? Do you feel so?
Yes, every animal should be considered.
All right. How many water balls can you paint today on this
I
Sunday?
can paint. I came at 12, and
Okay.
within half day I can paint up to 30.
30 water balls.
I can.
All right.
Last
That's great.
week, not last week. Last year we painted nearly 100 water balls in a day. Half day.
Okay. So, since how long are you associated with Citizens for Animals?
From last 2 to 3 months.
All right. What motivates you for coming here and painting all these water balls for these voiceless creatures?
I like to feed dogs. I like dogs and serve to animals. So that's why I want to come here. And I joined the CFA.
Okay. So, how long are you volunteering here?
I'm in Hyderabad till 4 year. I'm the student of BSc Nursing in Panjagutta.
Okay.
So I'm from, my native place is J&K, Jammu Kashmir. I'm from Jammu Kashmir. For study purpose, I came here.
All right. All right.
Yeah.
So, where's your hometown in Jammu Kashmir?
Jammu Kashmir, ma'am, from Jammu division.
Okay, okay. So
Yeah.
very you have come from a long way
Yeah,
to here, right? So, do you have any pets here in Hyderabad?
Here
Like
I-
while you're studying?
Here I'm staying in a hostel, ma'am, campus hostel.
Okay.
I don't have pets, but in my hostel, cats are there. So I feed them regularly. I like to
Alright.
feed animals, ma'am. So,
Alright.
Yeah.
Nice. And how many? Are you coming here regularly? No, I think only on
today my first day here. I'm the
Okay.
student, so when I get holiday, so I want to join. So
Okay. Nice.
yeah,
And so you want to be a voice for the voiceless.
yeah.
Hello, Shavanti. Hello, Aditya.
Hi.
So, as I can see, he's painting the water bowls. So, what is the approximate size of these bowls?
They hold anywhere between 4 to 5 liters of water.
All right. And one thing which I wanted to know is, what are the what is the major purpose for you
So
to
you see,
get these water bowls painted?
especially in summer, let's say water, my major problem is animals don't get water.
Yes.
So you might have seen them drinking dirty water, drain water, and obviously they'll get diseases, infections and all. So as the minimum human thing to do, we can provide them some clean water.
True.
And
Yes.
so we'd like to also, so we paint these bowls and give it out so that people know of the effort that we're doing, and more people come and take these bowls and then put it at their place, and then the word spreads and more animals get water.
All right. So I remember I had come and I had I had painted a couple of water bowls along with my, one of my friends way back in 2022. So after many years also I'm seeing that same spirit going on. So approximately how many water bowls are all of you supplying like every year? Approximately.
We give about 1,000 to 1,200 bowls every year. So that's
All
been
right.
more or less the standard. Some years we give more if there's demand, or 1,200 is average, 1,000 to 1,200.
And what is the material in these bowls? Is it cement?
Cement.
Or clay?
Cement.
All right, cement. And the one very important thing which I wanted to know is, what is that particular challenge which all of you are facing while mobilizing these water bowls to the people who want to, take it?
So couple of things that we've seen is people do ask, like, can you send it to us?
Yeah.
Right, and they're bulk. So people come without planning to take these bulk water bowls, and then we'll have to help them figure out how they carry them back to their place.
Yes. Because it's quite heavy also.
It is quite heavy. Yeah.
What is the weight approximately of each
It might
bowl?
be about 3 kilos each, 2 to 3 kilos
2 to
each.
3 kilos. Right. Yeah. So in that case, how do you tackle such people?
So we tell them that, if you're planning, we usually ask them how many bowls are you planning to take, and then we tell them that, okay, please make some arrangements so that, and we also help them load and stuff who are here, but we don't tell them bring your own vehicle
Yeah,
or
that is
plan
true.
accordingly.
Because in that case, arranging for the logistics for every bowl is also quite difficult, since
yes.
you're an NGO working for the animal service. Shravanti, what is your long-term vision with regards to these water bowls?
So, as an animal rescuer who works with CFA right now,
Yes.
I have a habit of walking around the streets and lanes, and I notice each lane and each street has their own pack of dogs, and each pack does not interfere with their food and water bowl. So, as it's a vision of CFA that the entire of Hyderabad, each lane should have its own water bowl, so no one interferes with the
Yes.
other one, and every animal gets to drink water.
And that is the need of the hour also, because the way
Yes.
we feel thirsty during summers, even
Yeah.
animals do feel thirsty.
Yes, exactly. It's so hot, and because there's so much infrastructure building happening, hardly there are any more trees, and we're not able to even find a simple shade to stand under. Imagine how the dog would feel, who
Exactly.
lives on the street 24/7.
24/7.
I have a house to go back to. So
Yes, not only limited to dogs, but even cats, pigs, goats, cows या कोई भी stray animal जो है, हर किसी को प्यास लगती ही लगती है. Summers में the temperatures soar up like anything. In that case, it is the minimal responsibility of each and every citizen कि आप जाके अपने घर पे या अपने लेन पे भी तो एक water bowl रख दीजिए, and please refill it every day, at least for these 2 seasons, that is April and May. And yes, that is the loophole. That is the space where Citizens of Animals is trying to patch up, and every year it delivers somewhere around 1,000 to 1,200 water bowls all across Hyderabad, and to many people and to many animal lovers, in fact. So, why late? Deri kyun? Aakhirkar, join hands in hands with Citizen of Animals, and you also become a part of this project by helping them to paint the water bowls, as well as placing water bowls in different corners of the city to quench the thirst of these voiceless animals.